Hello, in 4-part sectional harmony we may encounter a diatonic lead part over a minor 7 chord as basic harmony. In this episode I'll demonstrate options for handling that case. This subject is discussed in my book Arranging by Examples, the Practical Guide to Jazz and Pop Orchestra Arranging, to be found in the webshop. The first example has the minor 7 chord on the supertonic second degree of a diatonic major scale. The lead voice is stepwise diatonic with 2 non-chordal notes that include the chordal function 6 ascending into the 7. The first approach is the harmonization with secondary dominant chords, set as diminished 7th chords. The second non-chordal note A cannot be harmonized with the B dim 7 chord. So instead we try the leading tone chord B minor 7, the technique discussed in episode 2 from this series. Let's listen to the individual lower parts. The augmented second interval implies suboptimal voice leading. In the outer parts we now find both consecutive consonant 6th and dissonant 7th intervals. The new approach is harmonization by connecting minor 7th chords, for which there are 2 options. The first uses 2 consecutive minor 7 chords. With the separate lower parts, we obtain a repeated note in part 4. This can be prevented by using parallel motion, combining a minor 7th chord and a substitute chord, the type discussed in episode 3. This modifies the lower part. In example 2 we see a minor 7th chord on the other 2 degrees of the diatonic major scale, that is the mediant, the 3rd degree, and the submediant, 6th degree. In the lead we find the chordal functions 5 and 6, which correspond to the degrees 7 and 1 in the B-flat major scale. The non-chordal note B-flat is harmonized with the secondary dominant chord C-sharp diminished 7, which leads to the following lower parts. With a chromatically ascending lower part, the full section becomes the same chord type on the 6th degree also allows straightforward harmonization with the secondary dominant F-sharp diminished 7th. You'll find these examples in the chapter on 4-part sectional harmony in the book. Download the limited free demo version from my website. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Visit the website for more information about the book. You'll find the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching.